Hola clase. Hola. Bienvenido a otra clase de español. Hoy vamos a hablar sobre la gramática española. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and talk about Spanish grammar again. Last time we were talking about AR verbs and how easy it was to conjugate them, right? All you do is you take off the AR and you add on, you slap on the new ending, right? Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and take a look at ER verbs just like this one, or IR verbs just like that one, and we're going to go ahead and see how to conjugate them. Alright, so let's get started!
Here I go again.
Yepper. Now I told you last time that we need to know the subject pronouns. And so let's just go ahead and start off with that first one. That first one is yo. Yo means I. And tu means you. That's familiar, you know. Now we got usted. Usted is you, and that's formal. We got el. El means he. Ella. Ella means she. Nosotros. Nosotros is we. Vosotros. Vosotros is you all. And that's only used in Spain, so you better make sure you use it right. And then we got ellos. Ellos is they. Ellas. Ellas is they, but that's a group of girls. And then ustedes. Ustedes is y'all. So we need to know those subject pronouns. They all have their own box that they stay in. They don't change. And yeah, so hopefully you got those down, because we're going to use those here right in a sec. Alright.
Teach me. I can do it.
Anyways, yeah, I'll teach you right now. I'll teach you everything you need to know for ER verbs this second. Listen up, get your ears ready, because here it is. Alright, so for ER verbs, you're going to go ahead and take off the ER. You're going to go ahead and add in the yo form an O. For tu, you're going to add an ES. For el, ella, usted, you're going to add an E. For nosotros, hemos, so E-M-O-S. Vosotros, es, E-I-S, with the accent over the E. And then for ustedes, ellos, and ellas, you're going to add an E-N. And that's it. All you got to do is add those endings whenever you have those subject pronouns doing the action on the verb. Alright, that's it.
No way. This way.
Whoa! That is so cool, man. So all you're saying is that I gotta take off the ER and add these endings, and that's how I conjugate in Spanish? So
that's not possible.
So yo vendo, tú vendes, él, ella, usted vende, nosotros vendemos, vosotros vendéis. Whoa, that's so cool. You mean like ustedes venden, and ellos venden, and ellas venden? Whoa, that's radical. No way. Yes way. Whoa, really? That's it? Alright, whoa. So, you know what? We're almost at the end. Now all we have left is the IR verbs. So IR verb endings. First and foremost, they're just like ER verb endings. Everything's the same except for the nosotros and the vosotros forms. Alright? So with yo, it's still O. With tu, we still have S. With el, ella, usted, we still have E. But with nosotros, it becomes imos. And with vosotros, it becomes is. And then ellos, ellas, ustedes, we still have N. That's it, really. I mean, who would have thought it would have been so simple?
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.
Alright, so let's go ahead and conjugate the verb compartir. Compartir means to share. And so when I conjugate it, I'm going to drop off the IR, just like we did with the AR verbs and the ER verbs. We're going to go ahead and drop that IR, and we're going to add, for example, with yo, yo comparto, we got an O. Tu compartes, él, ella, usted, comparte. Nosotros compartimos. Vosotros compartís. And then ellos, ellas, ustedes comparten. That's it. All you gotta do is take off the ending and add the new ending, whatever it is. Just like the AR verbs, just like the ER verbs. Alright, so that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys had a great time watching this video. A lot of fun making it. And yeah, hopefully you stay tuned for the next one and keep on practicing that Spanish. Alright, so, and also if you're not in my class and you're watching my videos and you're learning and you're liking, please hit the like button, subscribe, do whatever you need to do, and I'll keep making more of these. Alright, adios.